Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to copy this folder here, this file, into this folder, folder X. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to post X in into there, and we're going to try and copy it. We're going to create a program that tells us if there's already another file by that name in the folder. So let's start off. We're going to create my scalar path, C users desktop. So this is the desktop folder, desktop directory that we want to be changing to. So we use chdr, which is going to be change directory to that path. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create my scalar folder. I'm going to assign it to that folder, which is X. That's the one on the desktop there, X. I'm going to create a subroutine called copy file. And we're going to print a message to the user. Print enter file to copy. And we're going to get the user input, my scalar file name. And we're going to assign it to standard input to get the user input from the user that will type in the name of the file. Okay, and then we're going to create another scalar variable here called my scalar destination, and we're going to assign that to the scalar folder, which is X, and the file name that we type in. Okay. Now we're going to come on to the conditional statement, so we're going to evaluate this if, and then we've got E exists destination, file exists in the destination. We're going to do something. So if we're trying to copy a file that already exists in that folder, we're going to print to the user scalar file name already exists in the folder, and a new line there. Or else, if that's not the case, if it doesn't exist, then we want to copy it. And we're going to accomplish that by using copy scalar file name and scalar folder. And then we're going to type print file copied, and a new line there. Okay, all we have to do now is to call the program, and that's called copy file. Let's just save it here and let's just run the program. Okay, so the file that we want to copy here is A, and we want to copy it into X, but A already exists in folder X. So let's just try and copy it. A.txt. It tells us that A already exists in the folder. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to copy, let's say, another file, create a new one, just call it B for argument's sake. Okay, so b.txt, hit enter, file copied. Let's just go and check that, make sure we actually have copied the file into there, and there you go, B. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.